Topic is video how to develop energy. So you know that when you hot things which you some of times which you hand to back pushes, it means how to develop energy, because most of energy as a human being to be did not realize that, and you have too much energy, or maybe you uh, full full of energy. Sometimes we realize to we lose it, and have a times we do not the worth of energy, because some of iris of uh, in you experience, and you hard, and you very very dangerous for some of us, because we suddenly touch the hand of the spoon, and suddenly back you push the button, and suddenly you earth shock yourself what to do this happened. So it's very courageous, and it's very for wonder for yourself. And I think because it's it's when happens in your life, it's uh it's not about what to do, because and we have very shocked when some wonders attach for us, and you have to tender and what to do self. And as in these situations of life, we have to be very low status of life and compare ourselves to others, because I think energy is similar to as develop any human being and naturally, and any living body, living things. So because we know that we have to be right way to use this, because energy to right way of the life. So only to a man lose I am not I can't do this, because I can not do this exercise, you demotivation. And exercise only motivations comes, you have to be excel to own your practice experience, and I can do it, it means you do it. And if you three times and every times of life, it's easy for me, and it's not difficult for me. And some of times which is lines for in the life, we have to be and every speaks and every moments of in the mind of a voices we never clean up, because it's almost time we have to be doing life, and implementations of life it's automatically run in life. And some of times we have to be never do it in life, it means you have never do it in life. If it's mean and I can do it, it's my life is very sadness, you have automatically sadness, your energy level is boost up, and never boost up energy will be very down. So energy when boost up, you have to be only rehearsal of energy become of development. So develop of energy, you explore on your experience of the bad experience, you have to know what is the good. And I think the opponents of the good, it's front of the bad, because you have now to justify is very it's good for me, it's very it's bad for me. And I think experience of every human being in life. So some of the times you kettles of heart you can touch to absorb the energy to become push the hands back. I have too much experience these types of, because energy is right, energy is individual things which is man to difference from others, and which you motivate yourself, because the energy of flavors in always hidden in your self groomings for your self grooming help for you. And some your looseness it's easily is it's become only uh, on come only when you appeared looseness, and you lose hope, you lose disheartenment, you lose the sadness, you will have everything to expect what is bad for you, which is bad only the moment only develop like a seeds on your life to which you have to grow. And I think this uh, I think the plants if you never grow some of the season, because we do not never grow, but it's the grow of the starting of the point, and starting of the grow on the seeds and develop of the leaves. It's it's that's why the it's more fruits make for your in the future. So be you become to be better fit.